Having trouble with your child's behavior? We have got the perfect solutions for you. Welcome back to my channel. If you have ever found yourself facing challenging child behavior and wondering how to handle it, you are in the right place. In today's video, we have 5 fantastic solutions for you. So let's dive in. When your child refuses to walk. When you say your child, come on, it's time to go, we need to walk to the park, but your child refuses. You can say, I understand that you want to stay and play, but we have planned this outing to the park. How about we make it more fun? How about you become the leader and guide us on the way? The child becomes excited and takes on the role of the leader, walking enthusiastically towards the park. Try providing the child with a sense of responsibility and empowerment as a leader. They are more likely to cooperate and willingly walk with their parents. When your child refuses to eat. So, when your child refuses to eat their meal, don't get frustrated. Simply try to find compromises. Offer them dessert as a prize for cleaning up their plate. By offering a compromise and incorporating a small treat or a dessert as a reward for eating their meal, you can encourage the child to make healthier choices while still addressing their desire for junk food. It's important to emphasize the importance of eating a substantial portion of the meal before enjoying the treat to maintain a healthy balance. When your child refuses to get dressed. If kids refuse to get dressed, try a challenging game. Tell them you want to see if they can put their clothes on blindfolded. The child closes their eyes and the parent guides them through the process of getting dressed, providing encouragement and hints along the way. By turning getting dressed into a game or challenge, you make it more engaging and exciting for the child. The element of surprise and the involvement of child's imagination can make the process enjoyable and turn it into a positive experience. Remember to provide support and encouragement throughout the activity to reinforce their cooperation. When your child refuses to study. It's time to sit down and study and your child refuses to study. You can just say, I understand that studying can feel bored sometimes, but let's try to make it more enjoyable. How about we create a study plan together? By involving the child in creating a study plan and incorporating rewards and fun activities, you make studying more engaging and motivating. Offering support and assistance throughout the process reinforces that studying is a collaborative effort and together you can overcome any challenges. When your child misbehaves in the car. To avoid misbehavior in the car, try playing the fake dreams game. Tell everybody in the car to close their eyes and make up a dream that they see. By introducing a game like Fake Dreams, you provide a fun and interacting way for your child to channel their energy and focus on something enjoyable during the car ride. The game encourages imagination and engages your kids, making the journey more entertainment and diverting their attention from misbehavior. Remember to set rules for the game, such as taking turns and listening attentively. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found these tips and strategies helpful in handling those tricky situations. Now, here's a fun challenge for you. In the comments below, share your most funny parenting moment about your child's behavior. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to our channel for more on parenting, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.